So today we're on the way to the Munich farmers market. I'll put how to actually say it in German down below. But it's a farmers market that's been going daily since 1807, with the exception of Sundays and public holidays. They have sausages, they have smoothies, they have plants and vegetables and a whole bunch of different random things. And I've also been told to look for a specific flagpole, so we'll see if we can find that. And that says what beer they're serving this week. So we'll see if we can get some beer while we're down here.
We just got an apple and orange smoothie at the farmer's market. I really like it. I would have never guessed apple and orange go together.